In this aid, we will voice our essentially own and market's viewpoint on Primate future while examining the Apecoin cost figure for 2022 and then some. Kindly sort of remember that you ought to believe this and any genuinely other forecast with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything for the most part is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Apecoin. Presently, we should head into it incredibly. Before we dive genuinely profound into the Apecoin value expectation and answer questions in the event that chimp explicitly is a wise venture or not. For what reason will Primate generally succeed or especially come up short, or for what reason will Apecoin value rise or drop? We should rapidly really toss a look at what Gorilla explicitly has in its to-date history. Gorilla value expectation for the following 90 days in an unpretentious manner. The entire crypto world truly is on an edge of an undeniable basically bear market, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin, in every practical sense, has drooped half from its unequaled high in the midst of the more extensive market sort of drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate expansions in an unobtrusive manner. Financial backers truly are selling hazardous resources and moving into substantially more especially stable business sectors amazingly. Crypto in a real sense is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe sort of play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees a sum in every practical sense, green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This fundamentally is reflected in our 2022 expectations in an essentially significant way. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to truly find a by and large neighborhood base before we can move the other way and for the most part alter the course in a significant manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will generally begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and kind of later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We anticipate whales and other sort of greater players in the market to basically wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike, which certainly is very critical. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and principal evaluation of each task, which is genuinely huge. Basics that we assess in a real sense are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative for the most part potential, and some sort of other really exclusive variables created in our crypto lab, which is very huge. 2022 1014. 1.13% $5.11 in a truly significant manner. 2022 1015 in an unpretentious manner. Plus 1.33% $5 24 2022 1016. Plus 1.54% $5 25 2022 1017 in an unpretentious manner. 2.64% $5 04 2022 1018 in an unpretentious manner. 1.28% $5 11 2022 1019 plus 4.13% $5 39 2022 1020 3.75% $4 98 2022 1021, which is genuinely huge, plus 0.63% $5.21 Apecoin value forecast 2022 NAV incredibly 25.22% $3.87 2022 deck, which is genuinely critical, 35.64% $3.33 2023 Jan, which for the most part is very huge, 27.70% $3.74 2023 Feb in a huge manner, 23.15% $3.98 2023 blemish, 15.41% $4.38 2023 APRA, or so they especially thought, 12.22% $4.54 2023 May, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking, 9.69% $4.67 2023 June, or so they fundamentally thought, 2.70% $5.03 2023 Jul, which for the most part is very critical, plus 4.07% $5.38 2023 All, plus 14.37% $5.92 2023 SEP, which in a real sense is very huge, plus 16.99% $6.05 2023 Oct, which is genuinely huge, plus 21.20% $6.27 Primate value expectation 2025 to 2030 2040, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Our expectation model sees Primate coming to $13.19 in 2025, in opposition to prevalent thinking. What will gorilla be certainly worth in 5 years? The cost of chimp in 5 years could generally lie around $0 in opposition to prevalent thinking. What Apecoin will basically be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Apecoin coming to $0 in 2030. What Apecoin will be exceptionally worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Apecoin coming to $0 in 2040. Will Apecoin supplant, explicitly outperform, basically overwhelm Bitcoin? Or so they thought. No, Apecoin won't especially supplant or in a real sense overwhelm BTC, or so they thought. Might Apecoin at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Apecoin to in a real sense reach $100 in the extremely short or midterm period. Or so they sort of thought. How high will Apecoin go? Our gauging model sees Apecoin cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future. Is Apecoin really worth purchasing? We especially don't generally see a genuinely brilliant future for Apecoin, in opposition to prevalent thinking. It is most certainly worth purchasing just as a transient theory with a very decent leave system, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Apecoin is definitely not a decent extremely long-haul hold, which is genuinely huge. Is Apecoin a truly wise interest in an unpretentious manner? Apecoin basically is certainly not a wise interest in that frame of mind incredibly. Why in an unobtrusive manner? Indeed, it explicitly faces a savage contest from sort of other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't actually have a veritable local area, and the group behind the task certainly is problematic in a sort of significant manner. Might Apecoin at any point make you a tycoon? No, Apecoin cannot especially make you a mogul, as we explicitly don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out. How especially will Apecoin be worth, or so they by and large thought? For the momentary future, it could especially reach $2.98. In the long haul, it will no doubt drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Apecoin succeed and become more expensive incredibly? Apecoin generally has a really remote possibility of prevailing in an unpretentious manner. It has no first-mover advantage. It brings no interesting incentive. It explicitly has a frail group and little local area behind it, which basically is very huge. All of this summarized forestalls Apecoin to succeed and ascend in cost for the genuinely long haul amazingly. As a matter of fact, what especially is the transient expectation for Apecoin incredibly? Apecoin will reach $2.98 in the sort of next 90 days, which fundamentally is a 42.4% change over the ongoing cost, which drifts around $5.17. Apecoin value expectation today. What will essentially be the cost of Apecoin tomorrow, or so they fundamentally thought? Apecoin will float around $5.54 tomorrow, or so they explicitly thought. When to sell and exit Apecoin, which certainly is very critical. That relies upon, in every practical sense, your exchanging profile. In the event that you essentially have faith in Apecoin and generally think it has a kind of splendid future, holding the coin for basically 2 or 3 years explicitly is smart. Taking benefits on all things considered, wise ventures certainly is an even sort of better thought. So on the off chance